नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JBM Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH LAMP University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject Open Source Technology, and the session name is LAMP Technology. Introduction. LAMP stands for R for Linux, A for Apache, M for MySQL, and P for PHP. LAMP is a shorthand term for a web application platform consisting of Linux, Apache, and MySQL, and one of the Perl or PHP. LAMP is an open source. Together, these open source tools provide a world-class platform for deploying web applications. Technologies used in LAMP. First, Linux. Linux is presently the most commonly used implementation of Unix. Unix is work-alike operating system for the Intel 386/486 Pentium family of chips by a volunteer team of coders on the internet. The core of the system is the Linux kernel. On top of the kernel, a Linux distribution will usually utilize many tools from the Free Source Software Foundation's GNU projects. Apache is the most common web server. On the internet, Apache, like Linux, MySQL, and PHP, is an open source project. Apache 2.0, Apache has become a robust, well-documented, multi-threaded web server. Support for non-Unix systems. Apache can run on a large number of hardware and software platforms. Since 1996, Apache has been the most popular web server on the internet. Presently, Apache holds 67% of the market. The MySQL is the fast, flexible relational database. MySQL is the most widely used relational database management system in the world with over 4 million instances in use. MySQL is high performance, robust, multi-threaded, and multi-user. MySQL utilizes a client-server architecture. MySQL focus is on stability and speed. Support for all aspects of the SQL standard that do not conflict with the performance goals and supported. Now the PHP. PHP is the most popular scripting language for developing dynamic web-based applications. Originally developed by Rasmus Ledford, the beauty of PHP is that it is easy to get started with, yet it is capable of extremely robust and complicated applications. In LAMP, PHP is the glue that takes the input from the browser and adds the data to the MySQL database. Now, where we use LAMP? LAMP used to build secure, scalable, dynamic websites. LAMP has been touted as the killer app of the open source world, with many LAMP sites running e-business logic and e-commerce site and requiring 24/7 uptime, ensuring the highest levels of data and application availability is critical. For organizations that have taken advantage of LAMP, these levels of availability are ensured by providing constant monitoring of the end-to-end application stack and immediate recovery of any failed solution components. Some also support the movement of LAMP components among servers to remove the need for downtime associated with planned system maintenance. Now come to the architecture. This architecture consists of web browser, which is used to run web application placing HTTP required. Apache API, which listens to the port 60 for HTTP request. Mode PHP passes the PHP scripts, MySQL queries, receives results and returns to final HTML. MySQL server stores data. Server running Apache web server with mod PHP MySQL server, and by combining these tools you can rapidly develop and deliver applications. Each of these tools is the best in its class and a wealth of information is available for the beginner. Because LAMP is easy to get started with yet capable of delivering enterprise scales applications, the LAMP software model just might be the way to go for your next or your first application. Now the working is one of the great secrets of almost all websites. Aside from those that publish static HTML pages, that behind the scenes the web server is actually just one part of a 2 or 3 tiered application server systems in the open source world. This examples the tremendous popularity of the Linux Apache, MySQL, PHP LAMP environment. LAMP provides developers with a traditional 2-tiered application development platform. The security. The standard method is to use the security and authentication features of the Apache web server. The tool mod auth allow for password-based authentication. You can also use allow, deny directives to limit access based on the location. We come to the advantage of LAMP. Seamless integration with Linux, Apache and MySQL to ensure the highest level of availability for websites running on LAMP. Maximizes e-commerce revenues, minimizes e-business disruptions caused by IT outage, automated availability monitoring, failover recovery and failback of all LAMP application and IT infrastructures resources. Intuitive Java-based web interface provides at a glance LAMP status and simple administration. Easily adapted to sites running Oracle, DB2 and PostgreSQL. Solutions also exist for other Linux application environments including Rational, ClearCase, SendMail, Lotus Domino and MySap. Now finally the conclusion is, while Flash, ActiveX and other proprietary elements will continue to creep in and entice webmasters, in the end compatibility issues and prices of development will dictate what eventually win out in the next generation of web design. Open source continues to play an important role in driving web technologies. Even though Microsoft would like to be the only player of the field, open source with its flexibility will almost certainly be the winner in the end. This is the bibliography. You can go through these bibliography, these links. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.